This is an Alzmetall single spindle drill. You have RPM readouts. Your feeds and speeds charts. There's a light. On an emergency stop. This is high and low speed. It's also a manual speed adjustment, motor speed up. There's a handle for the speed the spindle down, and you engage your feeds, your down feed, by clicking on the button on the handle. To disengage the feed, you just hit the handle again and come back up. Here's your feed rate, speed. A little faster now. It's an adjustable table with a clamp, just manual up and down. It's the Alzmetall drill, showing the reverse tapping feature. So this is just standard drill mode where you can feed down, low speed. You can turn the handle, click the button, and it will automatically feed. And then this is the reverse tapping feature, where you can adjust the setting of the spindle going down. And when it goes down to that point, it will reverse the spindle, reverse out. And then as it gets to the top, it will go back into forward.